Welcome to Road Signs for Driving Tests. Are you prepared to take your driving skills to the next level? Whether you're gearing up for your driving test or simply looking to refresh your knowledge, you're in the perfect spot. In this video, we'll cover 50 must-know road signs that are essential for every driver. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and activate notifications so you never miss out on important driving tips. Let's dive in and get started. This is an alternative fuel station sign. It shows that a fueling station for compressed natural gas, CNG vehicles is available. Watch out for this railway crossing ahead sign. It warns drivers that a railway track is coming up, so slow down and stay alert. If you see a no bicycles sign, it means bicycles are not allowed on this roadway. This maximum speed limit, 50 km per hour sign, marks the beginning of a 50 km per hour speed limit zone. Make sure to adjust your speed accordingly. A no longer drive on the shoulder sign tells drivers they must re-enter the main roadway and can no longer use the shoulder. Can you identify this sign? A. New maximum speed limit begins. Are you familiar with this sign? B. No bicycles. Do you know what this sign indicates? C. Railway crossing ahead. Be cautious around a children going to or from school sign. It alerts drivers that children may be crossing the road. An upcoming freeway exit from the leftmost lane is indicated by this left lane exit freeway sign. Near schools, you'll often see a school crossing sign. It marks a designated pedestrian crossing area for school children. When you spot a yield ahead sign, be prepared to slow down and give way if necessary. The no skaters sign means inline skaters and skateboarders are not allowed in this area. Parking is prohibited beyond a beginning of no parking sign, so avoid stopping there. A pedestrian's prohibited sign means walking is not allowed on this road for safety reasons. Have you seen this sign before? B. School crossing. Does this sign look familiar? A. No skaters. Do you recognize the meaning of this sign? B. Children going to or from school. A no entry sign tells drivers that vehicles are not allowed to enter that area. A sudden dip in the road ahead is indicated by a dip sign. Reduce speed to avoid any bumps. A railway level crossing ahead sign warns drivers about an upcoming railway crossing with level tracks. If you see a must proceed straight only sign, it means turning is not allowed. You have to go straight. Military vehicles moving at slow speeds may be present if you come across a slow-moving military vehicles sign. A divided road. Begin sign indicates that the road will soon split into two separate lanes with a median divider. U-turns are not permitted where a no U-turn sign is posted. What does this sign represent? C. Slow-moving military vehicles. Can you recognize this sign? B. Railway level crossing ahead. Have you encountered this sign? A. No U-turn. A checkerboard sign appears when the road ends or there's a sharp change in direction ahead. A keep left sign directs drivers to stay to the left of an obstacle or divider. Left turns are not allowed where you see a no left turn for vehicular traffic sign. A straight through and left turn sign allows drivers to continue straight or make a left turn. Stopping for extended periods is not allowed in areas marked by a no waiting sign. Traffic congestion is likely ahead if you notice a traffic cues, likely ahead sign. Is this sign familiar to you? B. No left turn for vehicular traffic. Do you know what this sign indicates? C. No waiting. Can you identify the meaning of this sign? B. Checkerboard. The end of an area where vehicles may be parked, partially on the verge or footway sign, marks the end of a zone where such parking was previously allowed. A 270-degree loop curve right sign warns drivers of a sharp 270-degree turn to the right. Approaching a Y intersection means the road will split into a Y shape ahead. If lanes 2 and 3 will be closing, you'll see a lane 2 and 3 closed ahead sign. Prepare to merge safely. A priority over vehicles from opposite direction sign means you have the right of way over oncoming traffic. A contraflow bus lane sign means buses will be traveling in the opposite direction of regular traffic. If a bridge has weight restrictions, a vehicles exceeding an indicated gross weight prohibited from crossing bridge sign will be posted. Steep inclines or declines are marked with a steep grade, hill percentage sign, usually accompanied by a percentage value. A no snowmobiles sign means snowmobiles are not allowed on this roadway. What does this sign indicate? A. Y intersection. Have you seen this sign indicating priority? B. Priority over vehicles from opposite direction. Does this sign refer to a bus lane? C. Contraflow bus lane. Drivers must leave the road shoulder when they see a vacate the shoulder sign. High winds may affect vehicle stability in areas with a dangerous crosswind sign. A Lane 2 is closed ahead sign alerts drivers to prepare for a lane closure and merge accordingly. The maximum speed limit sign tells drivers the highest speed they're legally allowed to drive on that road. A double curve ahead sign means 2 consecutive curves or bends are coming up. If your vehicle is too wide, a vehicle's exceeding width indicated prohibited sign will let you know you're not allowed to pass. A crossroads with parallel tracks, right sign, means a railway crossing runs parallel to an upcoming intersection. A curve with tangent right sign warns of a curve that has a straight section before continuing in the same direction. Watch for wildlife. A migratory toad crossing sign alerts drivers that migrating toads may be on the road. Can you identify the speed limit on this sign? B. Maximum speed limit. What does this sign indicate about the intersection? A. Crossroads with parallel tracks, right. Do you recognize this sign for Animal Crossing? B. Migratory toad crossing. A water protection area sign indicates that the area is environmentally protected, possibly restricting vehicle access. A crossroads sign warns that an intersection is coming up where roads cross. For general guidance, you may see an information sign providing details about road conditions or services. A traffic merges from the left sign warns that vehicles will be entering the road from the left side. A grooved pavement sign indicates a section of road with grooves that may impact traction. If traffic signals are monitored by cameras, a traffic signal photo enforced sign will be present. An added right lane sign means another lane is merging into traffic from the right. That's it for today's road signs challenge. We hope you're feeling more confident on the road. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.